People, this is what it's all about. You got to get out here and explore, see the world. You got to get out and enjoy it yourself. Definitely gonna go to ride the tram up to the peak this morning. Opens at 9, so we're gonna head that way. Got off the tram. Alright, some interesting facts about Sandia Peak. It's believed that it got its name, which stands for watermelon in Espanol, from the pink granite. The tramway is the second longest tramway in the world. We're here on a unique day in which you're kind of got the clouds and getting some visibility, so hopefully we're getting some cool video for you guys and some cool pictures. Enjoy. So they said normally on a clear day you can see 11% of New Mexico from here. I'm thinking not the clearest day. Ugh. It is cold. But it cleared up. So we made it way up here, and I cannot say that I was expecting this much snow or it to be this cool. Yeah, but kind of unique time to come out here. Check out some of these views back here. Yeah, if you get a chance, definitely come up to Sandia Peak. Definitely ride the tram. Stiff to be making snow angels. People, this is what it's all about. You gotta get out here and explore, see the world. You gotta get out and enjoy it yourself. Snow angel, take 2. If I ever come back to Albuquerque, I think, well, and it's snow season, I think I'm gonna definitely try to rent some skis and ski. Hopefully the lifts will be operable, but very cool spot. Time to head back and get on the tram. No one ever explains how hard it is to walk and hold the camera out like this, you know? Especially in the snow. I like a little warm area here. Good thing, because my fingers are freezing.
Hopefully guys will have a little maintenance problem.
So it doesn't look like we're gonna make it back down to Old Town, but it was worth the long visit up here at the peak. So the tram had maintenance issues, making us a little late, so we're gonna have to make a little rush to airport. All right, we made it to the airport, but I found this rare thing that you never see anymore. It's a payphone. They do exist. Man, I hate the Chicago traffic, but there's something about that Chicago skyline. You want this? Here you go.